Alright, good afternoon, what's up everybody? So, this is going to be a really short video, pretty much, I don't know if it was in my last video, but I do have a crack in my windshield. It's like smaller than a penny, it's not too crazy. It looks like it is getting bigger, but I want to try to, fix that, today. So I actually went and picked up a windshield repair kit. It seems pretty straightforward, comes with instructions, and it has everything you would need in the bag here. So I'm gonna try this out. It says like the windshield needs to be 50 degrees Fahrenheit, between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. I believe it's about 50 degrees outside, so yeah, I'm gonna try it. You need to do it in the shade, it says as well. So hopefully I can get in a shaded area and try to get this going. But yeah, let's get started.
All right, so there's an adhesive disc piece that comes in the packet. A circular piece. Basically, you want to clean the windshield first before you lay down the adhesive piece, the circular piece. So it has two adhesive sides on it. So you peel one side, press it up against the windshield, make sure it's sealed all around. You check on the other side to make sure it's sealed. Then you take this plastic piece, it's called a pedestal, according to the directions. You take this plastic piece, you peel up the other adhesive side, and you press down and make sure it lines up, that the tabs have to be pointed upwards, and you just have to make sure this piece lines up, and you press down on it firmly, and then yeah, let's go to the next step. All right, once you put the adhesive piece down, the plastic piece, you want to squeeze the liquid into the tube there, and once it's filled up, you want to just wipe off the excess on the top, and then you take the syringe, and then you turn it into the plastic piece. After you turn it into the plastic piece, you're supposed to pull the syringe all the way up and then lock it in to the highest setting, and you push that metal bar like in between the indent there. That's if you have this kit. I don't know if all the kits are like this, but yeah, you just pull the syringe, you hold it with one hand and you pull the syringe all the way up with the other hand, and you just push that metal piece into the indent, and that should lock it into place. Look at this, isn't that crazy? It's a bug just out of nowhere. But anyway, you're supposed to let it sit for 10 minutes after this, and then yeah, go from there. Alright, so let that sit for 10 minutes. Then it says to remove the syringe to allow air inside. Put it back, twist it in, and then this hand, so you release this, and then Alright, and then after you release that and pump the air into there, it says to let it sit for 20 minutes, so I'll let it sit for 20 minutes and then I'll come back. Alright, I'm a dummy because I didn't even show how the crack looked before I put this thing on. And you can't even, yeah, it's pointless. You can't even see like the liquid in there. I'm trying to see if I can. Yeah, you can kind of see it a little bit, but I have a video that shows the crack beforehand, so I'll just add that into this one. But yeah, still gotta wait 20 minutes to take this off and then see the finished product. But check out my shift knob. I really like this one a lot. Like, looks really good. Looks better than I thought it would. And in the sun, it like transitions to like green a little bit, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I think this one was definitely better priced than the Acuity shift knob, the white one. I think it's like the Esco one that is always sold out in $100, which I'm kind of glad I didn't spend $100 on that shift knob, because this one was like $40. So I like it, but I'll come back after the 20 minutes and show you the finished product. Let's see. Oh, and another thing I forgot. Let me go outside and show you. Nice little crack in the windshield. I wanted to go get it fixed today, but I said never mind, I'll just wait. This takes a little bit of the excess liquid and you put it in the damaged area. And then this spot here. And you put on this film. I guess you wait for it to spread. And then it just says smooth, like air bubbles, just smooth over it with the razor blade. And then that's it. And then you let it sit in the sun for, I think it says 15 minutes. So, I don't know if it even really completely removed the crack, but it did make it smaller. Can't really see it, but I'll put it in the sunlight and then see if you can see it like that. And then I'll let it sit for 15 minutes. I'll come back after 15 minutes and remove this piece and then show you guys how it came out. Alright, so this is the finished product. I really don't even know if you can see this, but there it is. I mean, it didn't completely fill the crack, but it did reduce it by a whole lot. It looks way better than it did before. I don't know. I guess because the crack was too big. Maybe it didn't fill it in all the way. I wasn't able to fill it in all the way, but it did reduce it by a lot. I don't know if it will crack again. Like, let's say if I do hit like a speed bump or something, or if a rock chips that same area, it may crack again. So I guess I'll see how this holds up and then go from there. But I guess if you have a smaller windshield crack, you should be able to fill this pretty easily. This toolkit was pretty simple to use, and yeah, it was under $20, so it doesn't hurt to try it. You know, better than what a shop would charge you. I think I looked it up, like on Safelite, to fill it. I think they wanted $134. But I mean, obviously, if you want it to go away completely, I guess you can take it to a shop. But if you want to try to see how it would come out, you could do that first, and then go from there.
Alright, so this is the end of the video. If this did help you out at all, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, definitely watch my other videos. I have posted some other videos, so you should go check those out. Like I said, a quick windshield repair for under 20 bucks. You can't really beat that. The brand is called Permatex, and I got it from Pep Boys. So if you want to check it out to see how it would work for you, definitely check that out. Like I said, if it's a small, it maybe the crack in my windshield was a little too big to completely fill it in. But if you have a smaller crack, maybe it says like 1 inch in diameter, 1.25 inches in diameter, so 1/4 of an inch. So if you want to try it out to see if it'll work for you, definitely I suggest trying it before you take it, you know, to a shop, because it's definitely easy to do. But yeah, like I said, if this video helped you out anyway, definitely like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, see you. Peace.